Join me as I dive deep into the world of KO stock and see if I can figure out if it's really ready to explode. KO stock, or Coca Cola to most of us, has been a staple in the beverage industry for decades. Its brand recognition and global reach make it a stock that many investors keep a close eye on. With the current market trends and economic shifts, it's natural to wonder if KO stock has what it takes to explode in value. KO stock has faced its fair share of challenges recently. Increased competition from healthier beverage options has put pressure on Coca-Cola's traditional product lines. Not to mention, fluctuating commodity prices and global economic uncertainty have also played a role in affecting the stock's performance. These external factors can be a significant hurdle for any company, especially one as large as Coca-Cola. Internal struggles, such as changes in leadership and shifts in consumer preferences, have added to the complexity of the situation. The market competition isn't the only thing KO stock has to contend with. Economic factors also play a crucial role. Inflation, interest rates, and overall economic stability can significantly impact KO stock price. For instance, if the economy is booming, consumers might have more disposable income to spend on beverages, potentially boosting KO sales. On the flip side, during economic downturns, consumers might cut back on discretionary spending, affecting KO's revenue. Despite these challenges, KO has been working hard to adapt and evolve. The company has been investing heavily in its digital transformation and expanding its product portfolio to include more low and no-calorie beverages. This strategic shift aims to capture the growing demand for healthier options and position KO for long-term success. How successful these efforts will be remains to be seen, but it's clear that KO is trying to stay ahead of the curve. KO's financial health is another critical aspect to consider. The company has a strong track record of generating cash flow and maintaining a solid balance sheet. Recent news has shown that KO has been focusing on streamlining its operations and improving efficiency, which could lead to increased profitability. Market trends also suggest that the beverage industry is poised for growth, particularly in emerging markets. When analyzing key indicators such as KO's price-to-earnings ratio and dividend yield, there are some promising signs that could indicate a potential rise in stock value. One of the most compelling pieces of evidence supporting KO's potential growth is its commitment to innovation and sustainability. The company has set ambitious goals to reduce its environmental footprint and increase its use of eco-friendly packaging. Not only does this resonate with environmentally conscious consumers, but it also positions KO as a leader in corporate sustainability. Additionally, KO's recent partnerships and investments in emerging beverage technologies could act as a catalyst for growth. The recent announcement of KO's plans to expand its beverage portfolio through strategic acquisitions is another exciting development. This move could help KO tap into new markets and consumer segments, potentially leading to increased revenue and profitability. The fact that KO is actively pursuing growth opportunities and making proactive decisions to stay competitive is a positive sign for investors. As we consider all these factors, it's clear that KO stock has both challenges and opportunities ahead. The question on everyone's mind is whether these factors will contribute to KO stock exploding in value. Based on the analysis, there's a strong case to be made that KO is positioning itself for growth. Thanks for tuning into my deep dive into KO stock. What are your thoughts on KO's potential for growth? Do you think it's ready to explode, or are there other factors at play? Let me know in the comments below. If you're interested in learning more about stock trends or investment strategies, be sure to check out my next video.